Hi, welcome back once again. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage access with role-based access control. So let's start. In my last video, I showed you how to secure your network traffic. Now, to start with management access with RBAC, we have to create a group. So as you all know that we have our resources group we have created. So if still you don't have any resource group, you can create it from here, just like resource group, then create. So we have our own resource group already created, so we are going there. So this is our resource group, so we are entering into our resource group, and after entering in your resource group you will see access control. So you have to go there first. Then this is the interface of your resource group. Then you have to click on roles. When you click on these roles, you will see name of the role and what are the job responsibility of this role, and what are the types of this role, and in which category the role actually lies on. So you can scroll from top to bottom, so you can see everything there. Okay, now our task is to assign role. So we have to go to the another tab, that is role assignment. In role assignment we have to go to this add section and add role assignment. So after that our role assignment taskbar will came. Then we have to choose our role. So we can choose from this search, use the search bar, virtual machine contributor. Okay. And the assigned group, it should be user group or principals. Then we have to select the user actually. If that person is in our list, we can choose him or her, or we have to type the email address. For the time being I can just click test@gmail.com. So I have choose this one, and then I'm going to save this person. So we have this person test email holder will get an email, and after click on the invitation link, this person can work as a virtual machine contributor here. So we can check the activities, actually what this person actually going to do from this activity log. If we go to the activity log, from here we can check the activities of the assigned users. Just like in this time, though I am the user, so my all activities are actually recorded here. So in this way we are giving access control to people. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.